I'm Sandy Steinman, President of Background Checks Express, your one-stop source for accurate, accessible, and affordable background checking. We continue to see new lawsuits, almost weekly, filed against employers for violations of the Fair Credit Reporting Act in their background checking. To keep this from happening to you, today let's take a look at the two big mistakes that employers make that put them at risk. First, many of these employers ignore the mandate of the FCRA that is clear in its requirement that the disclosure and release document, which must be signed, by the way, by every applicant before background searches can be run, be standalone and cannot be cluttered up with extraneous languages such as release of liability clauses. In other words, it has to stand out so there's no question that the company intends to perform background searches. And second, and just as common, is when employers fail to comply with the notice of adverse action requirement. Again, the law is clear that in cases when an applicant is not going to be offered employment and that the decision not to hire is even vaguely connected to the results of the background check, a pre-adverse action notice must be sent to the applicant along with a copy of their rights, and I'd send along a copy of their background check. That pre-adverse notice also tells them who to contact if they believe there's an error on the report. Then, after a reasonable time has passed, 4 or 5 days, with no protest from the applicant, a final adverse notice must be sent. Professional background checking firms like Background Checks Express will provide you with the forms you need and the processes to follow to keep you from becoming a defendant. If you're an employer, I hope you'll follow this series of videos, because what you learn here could well keep you out of court or keep you from hiring the wrong person, and that's our mission. If you want to learn more about FCRA requirements or want to find out how we can help keep you out of court and out of trouble, just call me at 844-SCREEN-NOW, that's 844-727-3366, or email me at sandy@backgroundchecksexpress.com. In the meanwhile, please be safe, hire safe, and I'll see you in the next video.